This is going to be step 5, experimentation with hot glue. And this is going to be learning how to use the hot glue gun safely and effectively. So even if you have already used a hot glue gun before, this is going to be important for you to watch. And you are going to want to see page 2. And when you are gluing in this classroom, we are always going to glue on a big chipboard mat, and they are designated by the hot glue written on it that are in the specific drawer. And you always want to glue on top of this so that we do not get any glue on the tables, especially not the blue mats. And when you get out your hot glue gun, you're going to plug it into our drop-down cord, which can sit on the table, and you're going to want to have the hot glue gun make sure that the switch is on. And then it'll take probably 3 to 5 minutes for it to get hot enough for you to use it. And to tell if it is hot enough, you are going to pull the trigger and see if the glue starts coming out of it. If it starts coming out of it right away, there's no need to keep squeezing it and let a lot of glue drop out of the hot glue gun. If it starts coming out, use it right away on whatever you need to use it for. So for this experimentation, you are going to be making a hot glue line that matches the thickness of the below lines. You're going to complete one and show the teacher for a signature. Only complete the second one if the first one is not approved. So you are only doing this first one, and then you're bringing it to me to check it off. And if this one is not right for some reason, then you will do the second one. So for this hot glue gun test experiment, you are going to take your hot glue gun and you are going to squeeze the hot glue out, and then once some of it comes out, you're going to slowly move it along so that you get a nice thick line of glue. Then at the end, you're going to push down and pull away so that you do not get a string of glue. And then what is going to be really, really important when using the hot glue is to not touch the hot glue. Even if it is tempting to do, you do not want to touch the hot glue. If you need to check to make sure that it is dry, take a pencil and you can touch it with the pencil. If it is stringy or moving in some way, that means that it is not dry yet and you do not want to touch it because it will burn you. Same thing with the hot glue gun itself. You do not want to touch it. So once you have done this experiment with the hot glue, you can bring it to get checked off by the teacher.